Hi, my name is Samantha and today I'm doing you a quick video showing you how to cook frozen cordon bleu in the air fryer. It's easy, it's simple and you will be amazed by how crispy it comes out. Have you tried the air fryer free mini course? Are you new to the air fryer? Let me introduce you to our 5-day free quick start mini course. It answers a lot of beginner air fryer questions, gives you simple air fryer recipes to follow, and helps you get confident with your air fryer. You can get it for free at recipethis.com/ebooks or search recipethis.com for air fryer mini course. Cordon Bleu. I absolutely love Cordon Bleu, and you can cook the frozen ones from the box in the air fryer. They are fantastic. We of course also, if you head over to recipethis.com and search for Cordon Bleu, or you look in the description of the video, you'll actually see that we have both fresh and frozen in the air fryer. So whether you want to cook frozen or fresh, it's easy. So let's open up, shall we, and see what we've got in here. So, in this pack, we've got 4 medium-sized cordon bleus. They're kind of a bit like a burger, if you've never had them before, and they're filled with cheese and ham. I've often had them on vacation, especially in France. And I remember I had the nicest ones ever when I was on holiday once in Spain as well. So they're just a nice easy meal that you can serve with some fries in the air fryer. So the problem with some of them is they do come to you stuck together. So you just need to see if you can get your nail in and get in the middle of them, because otherwise when they're stuck together, they're often not cooked properly in the middle. But if you have a problem where they're stuck together, your finger's not going to get them apart, simply cook them for 3 minutes on 120 Celsius, 250 Fahrenheit, and it'll defrost them enough to be able to separate them before you air fry them. So let's place them in the air fryer. I'm going to start with 8 minutes at 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. Then we can check on them and see if they need more. I'm thinking that they'll probably need a couple of minutes more, but you want to check on them, see how they're doing, and see how much longer they need. And we've beat. So we're just going to check on them and turn them. So, from feeling them, they just kind of feel soggy, like, you know, they're properly defrosted, but they don't have that lovely crispiness that comes with frozen cordon bleu. So we turn them over, and now they're ready to go back on. We're going to add another 4 minutes, but we're going to take the temperature up to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, because otherwise they'll just come out soggy and they won't be crispy. And we've baked. Oh wow, I can really smell them now, and you can see that the cheese is melted, and in some of the corners there I can see how the ham is crisped up as well. So that's what they actually look like on the dinner plate. Absolutely perfect. You know, you can serve as many or a few of them as you like. So ideally you could have some with some French fries and with some beans, and your kids will love you forever. Or just have them on their own if you want, or in a sandwich. There's just something simple and easy that you can air fry from frozen. Today's recipe is all part of one of our themes that we're running at the moment. It's called 12 Idiot-Proof Air Fryer Recipes. Not my choice of title, but one of my readers asked me for air fry recipes that were idiot-proof, that was so simple that a child could do them, and that's what today's recipes are about. The reason we run themes on our YouTube channel is so that we can focus on a certain type of cooking. You can scroll through our videos and then see which one best applies to you, and then you can pick and choose which ones of our air fryer recipes you are going to recreate at home. Thanks so much for watching. We would love it if you joined the Recipe This family. You can get as involved as you like. You're welcome to follow us on Facebook or Pinterest. Join our Facebook groups, we have 2. Join our Kitchen Gadgets newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to ding the bell for instant notifications. Or check out our podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets and is a great way to listen along as we talk about the magic of cooking with kitchen gadgets. Even better, if you head over to recipethis.com, you'll find more than 1,000 kitchen gadget recipes. Think air fryer, instant pot, soup maker, slow cooker, bread maker and more.